Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Joint Station. Thomas the Tank Engine and friends. But it's a small engine, and Thomas the Tank Engine will go to the joint station. The engine, your train, ready to go. These fans up. Rev it off. Thomas the Tank Engine to the freight train. We just made its possessive spark engine. Lean out. We'll go to wrong way. Thomas the Tank Engine. Press a small engine. Go to back to the station. Ew. Wait just a minute. Thomas Tank Engine. Back to the curve. Finish. He point head. He's left now to go to train class. Thomas Tank Engine has done this. Done. Listen, off the track. Oh no, he's off the track. Thomas Tank is off the track. Thomas, okay? I need to go to the Thomas, go to the hospital. Go to the train yard.